Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Welcome to my gym. And today I want to show you this really nice foam roller for muscle stretching. I have this gym, which is mainly for cardio, but I also have resistance bands on that side and some weights on this one. So sometimes when I do stretch after exercising, I just use this. Things that I like about this foam roller. First of all, comes with this really nice bag, so you can take it with you on the go if you're going on a vacations or to a friend's house or working out with someone or a personal trainer. You can actually take this with you on the go. The other thing that I like is with how many accessories actually comes. So it comes with the foam roller, which is really nice and strong. You can see it from here. So you can actually use it to stretch your back, your legs, and I'll show you in a few seconds. But then it also comes with the personal roller. So you can actually use this for your neck or, oh, feels really nice. Or actually your legs as well. Just to focus on one part of your muscles as well, and not just like the whole thing. I really like this one for my neck, actually, for places like this on my neck and my back. So I think it's really, really cool for that. And also my lumbar area, just like this. Oh, feels really, really nice. And it also comes with these other two personal balls massagers. So you can actually use this for the face, just like this. This is more like a relaxing thing, not more just like stretching. Or you can use the same on this one or this one for more targeted areas, just like small areas, or sometimes like the palm of your hand as well. So that's really, really nice. It also comes with a resistance band that I don't use because I have others on my own, just like right there or there. But this could be really good in case you want to kind of like stretch your back just like that, or just like going up. I think that could be really good to use for this stretching band. So let me actually show you super quick how to use this one. Well, as you can see, you can use it for many parts of your body. But if now you have this one that you can, as I was saying before, you can use for your lumbar support area, and it feels really, really nice. And once you're done, you can put it all together in one single place. Just take it with you or just put it in the bag. And that's pretty much it. I like it. I think it's a really nice product to have for your home gym and relaxation and stretching. So I like it. I give my thumbs up for sure. Hope you like it too. Thanks for watching and see you soon.